Global defense spending crossed 2.7 trillion in 2024, reaching an all-time high as country increased its investments on military modernizations, space technology, and advanced defense systems. India is no exception. India's defense budget for FY 2026 stood at 6.8 lakh crores, making it one of the largest defense spender in the world. For years, India relied heavily on imports, but today the focus is shifting towards domestic manufacturing under the initiatives like Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. The goal is simple: build more, import less. Let's take an example of Paras Defense. The company operates in the niche segments of defense electronics, optics, and space solutions. The order book has been growing steadily because of rising domestic demand and export opportunities. India's defense exports has also surged from around 1500 crores in FY17 to 23,000 crores by FY 2025. That's a massive shift in less than a decade. What's interesting about defense that it is not driven by the consumer demand. It is driven by the long-term government policies, geopolitical realities, and technological innovations. And unlike the market trends, which is come and go, the national security remains constant, which brings us to the biggest takeaway of the entire series. Thank you.